Hello. Oh, hi. Oh, you are on mute. Teacher cannot hear you. All right. Okay, wait. Give me 1 second. All right, good. Can you unmute your mic? Ah.
Bạn có thể bật micro của mình lên được không?
Okay, that's great. High five. High five.
Teacher.
Hello. Hi, pretty girl. Good evening. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, very good. That's perfect. How about, can you see the screen of teacher?
Yes, I can.
Okay, very good. So welcome to Teacher Jennifer class. This is our trial class for tonight. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so we have a 30 minutes trial class. So we're gonna first introduce myself to you. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Yay! All right. So, by the way, good evening. Welcome to my class. This is Teacher Jennifer. All right. You can call me Teacher Jenny or Teacher Jen or Teacher J. Okay?
Hey.
All right, very good. Our teacher Jennifer is from the beautiful island, the Philippines. Okay. Nice meeting you. All right. Nice meeting you. You're so pretty. Now, how about you? What is your name?
My name is Takuyan.
Tao Kuyen, is that right?
Yes.
Oh, what a beautiful name. How about your English name?
My English name is Cherry.
Cherry. Oh, cherry is a fruit, right? It's so sweet, like you, cherry. Huh. A beautiful name. Now, how old are you, Thao?
Years old.
You are?
9 years
Oh,
old.
9. This one, 9.
Yes.
Oh, what grade are you now? Grade 3?
No. Grade
Grade
4.
Oh, you're grade 4. Oh, very good. So that's perfect. So by the way, you are from what
I'm
country?
from I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam, a beautiful country. Now, which city? All right. Which city are you in Vietnam? Are you in Hanoi? Ho Chi
Yes.
Minh? Oh, you're in Hanoi?
Yes.
Wow, that's good. Good. Hanoi is the capital of or the capital city of Vietnam. All right. So by the way, Thao, you mentioned that you go to you're already grade 4. So did you go to school this morning? Yes. You go to
Yes.
school? Okay. So can you share to teacher Jenny what did you do? Did you play or do you have exams? You have exam? No? You listen very well to teacher, Thao? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What is your favorite subject in the class?
My subject My favorite subject is IT.
IT. All right. Why do you like IT, Thao?
Because I like to use computer.
Ah, you like to use computer? Oh, okay. So are you also using computer right now while teach?
Yes.
Oh, you are using computer. Oh, that's great. Okay. Mm, how about what do you like to be when you grow up?
I want to be a policeman.
Police woman? Oh, you're not afraid? You're so strong. You're so brave. Okay, why? Why do you like to be a police woman, Thao? Because to to protect people?
Yes.
Oh, from harm, right? What else? And to
To my family.
oh, protect your family. You wow. Is daddy a policeman? Why that's why you're going to be a policewoman?
Yes.
Ah, daddy is a policeman. Oh, that is why. How about mommy? Mommy also is a policewoman?
No.
No,
She's
she's a nurse,
no.
a teacher. All right. Okay. So mommy is a
My mom is uh, yeah.
businesswoman.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, very good. Okay, so you should follow mommy and daddy, right? So because they are working so hard to have a good future for you. And with that, you will gonna study and learn very well in school. So, okay? Study very well. Do you have homework today?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, on what subject now?
Math.
Math. Oh, is it difficult? Math is difficult.
No.
No. Mm.
Yes.
Where are you in math subject? Multiplication, division, addition,
Multiplication.
multiplication. Okay, so I have this one. I have a question. Okay. Five. Sorry. This one. What is the answer for this one? 5 times 2 thou equals?
Equals 10.
Wow. Okay, very good. 5 times 2 equals 10. Next. Oh, you're so smart. High five. High five. Yes. I like it. Okay. Okay, how about this one? 1,000 times 8.
Equals 8,000.
Oh, oh, sure. 8,000?
Yes.
Yes, definitely. Absolutely, Teacher Jennifer. Wow. I'm so proud of you. It goes to show that you are listening to teacher, your math teacher. Only math subject is your homework tonight, Sal?
Yes.
English also?
No.
English? No. Do you have a Vietnamese subject in the class?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, that's great. Okay. All right. So, by the way, did you eat already dinner? Are you full now?
Yes.
What did you eat?
Meat and rice.
Meat and rice. All right. How about vegetables now? Did you eat vegetable?
Yes.
Oh, what vegetable is that? Hmm.
I eat broccoli.
Broccoli. Oh, that is also teacher's favorite food. I like carrots. Do you also like carrots?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How about fruit? What is your favorite fruit, Tao?
It's watermelon.
Watermelon. All right. It's so yummy, right? And delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. So yes, Thal, come on. Thank you for sharing how your day was, your favorite subjects, and your favorite food. Now, are you ready? Let's have some a little bit class for this trial class. Okay?
Yes.
Yay! All right. So I want you to focus. So in our class, I want you to focus very well and be listen attentively to teacher all throughout our class. Okay? Okay, don't play, don't watch video there, okay? Yay! Be attentive now. Let's start. Okay, so we have here picture. Look, what can you see in the picture of teacher Jennifer? Hmm. Hi. What can you see? I can see.
I can see a man.
Okay, this is Daddy. All right, how about this one? And
He's
his?
the child. The child.
Okay, what are they doing, Thao?
They talking.
All right. They are talking to each other in the living room. All right. So how about you? Do you talk with your daddy or mommy in the living room? Like, how are you today? Like that?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, by the way, do you have sister or a brother, Thou?
Yes.
Ah, you have a brother?
Yes.
Ah, how many siblings do you have? One, two,
I have two.
two. How old is the first one?
Mm. He's 14.
14. Ah, a big brother. Next. So 14. And then
He's
another big brother or a baby brother.
a baby brother.
Wow, a baby brother. So you only have or you are only three in the five in the family. All right. This is mommy. No, this is daddy, mommy, big brother, cow, and baby brother. Is that right?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. How about grandma? Where does grandma lives?
She lives in Leanne.
Ay, niyan. Also grandpa? Yes?
And he's live in Leanne too.
Oh, okay. Oh, so I believe you will gonna visit grandma and grandpa when it's a set holiday, right? Are you excited, Sal? Yes. That
Yes.
okay, that holiday is fast approaching. That is what is that holiday, Sal? That holiday
It's
is or
a
it's is a kind of holiday that is very important for a Vietnamese people like you, right? So, what do you do in the Tet holiday now? With mommy and
um
daddy and your baby brother and your big brother, what usually do you do?
I decorate the house
Decorate the house. Oh, that's nice. What else?
and I'll buy something.
You buy something, all right, and then you will gonna enjoy and then share foods together, right? You like also, you like to watch also fireworks, Tal?
Yes.
Oh, is there a fireworks?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, that's cool. Nice. So thank you so much for that, Tal. So yes, this is the topic or lesson that we are going to discuss tonight. Okay. Now, can you please read for teacher? Why? Okay, can
Why
you?
didn't you say so?
Very good. Again.
Why didn't you say so?
Yes. All right. So why? Hmm. Didn't you say so? So that is the lesson or topic for tonight, Thao. Okay. So in this lesson, let's read Thao. Topic
Places and directions. Why didn't you say so?
next.
Keywords. Cash, ATM, wait, line,
Very good.
grandma, having, verb, be.
Yay! Wow! You can read very well. I'm so impressed. High five again to teacher. Woohoo! Very good. Thank you, Thao. Next. Okay, look, we have here a warm up. Okay, look, Thao. What can you see on the screen? What can you see, Thao? You see
I can
a
see a pig,
yes, there is a pig. What else?
money.
Money. All right. Thank you so much. So now let's read. Okay, let's read first the directions. Thou. Go, Thou. Go, go, go.
Read, guess, and fill in blanks.
Very good. So the title, Thou, is
What am I?
okay. What? I. Okay, go, Thou. I'm go.
I'm something made of metal. I
Metal.
am
Metal.
metal.
Very good.
I am not a bell. I am something that is round. You can throw me in a washing well.
Okay. So by the way, we read this one. So wishing.
Wishing,
Wishing. Okay, one more, one more. We
wishing.
Yay, perfect. So let's read one more time. I'm
I'm something made of metal.
very good.
I am not a bell.
Mm-hmm.
I am something that is round.
Okay.
You can throw me in a wishing well.
Yes. So Thou, what am I? I am something made of metal. I am not a bell, Thou. I am something that is around or a circle. Actually, Thou, you can throw me on the wishing well. Shing! So, I am a. What is your answer? What is your answer, Thou? All right. So have, okay, let's follow the ribbon. So, number one. What is number one here? So, letter
Three.
C. Okay, next. Okay, the blue one with the star. So it is
Oh,
letter
oh,
O. Next, a blue
I,
one. Yes. Very good. So next, letter.
N,
Yay. So I am a
coin,
coin. Co coin.
coin,
Yay. Very good. So do you have a coin there? Can I see it? Do you have a
no,
coin? No.
no,
All right, let me. Oh, I don't have. But a coin is an example of ma.
money,
Yes, a money. So when When we have a coin, we can buy, right?
Yes.
Yes, we can buy juice or snack. All right. So it's depend upon the amount of money or
Money.
the coin. Very good. So do you buy snack when it's school, when you go to school, Thao?
Yes.
Oh, what usually do you buy in school, Thao?
I buy snack.
Yeah, what kind of snack?
Mm, Chips.
Chips? All right. How about sandwiches or bread? Like, um, no, no. Yeah, do you eat banh mi?
Yes.
Oh, do you buy banh mi?
Yes, I do.
Yes. All right. So next. Okay, are you ready? Let's pre
Prepare.
prepare now. Oh, okay, look. What is this thou? What can you see in the picture of teacher?
Lots of money.
All right. Or there's a lot of, what is this?
Money.
Money or a cash. All right. So, since you're still a student or a child or a kid, you don't have so much cash, right? Okay, but you have some. So I believe when it is set holiday, grandma or grandpa or daddy and mommy will gonna give you some lucky money, right?
Mhm.
Are you excited to receive that, Tao?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What are you going to buy when you have or when you receive your lucky money?
I buy new toys.
New toys. Oh, that's cool. What kind of toys are you going to buy?
Oh,
Color?
yes.
Why? Toys, a color is not a toys. How about a Barbie doll or a teddy bear?
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. All right. But you have already teddy bear in your bedroom, Sal?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, that's cool. How many teddy bear do you have, Sal? Many?
Yes.
Oh, can I see it?
Mm,
Do you have your teddy bear there? Can Jennifer see it? Okay, I have also my teddy bear here.
yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm? Zero.
Here's my teddy
Mm,
bear. Ah! Oh, you're so cutie, the teddy bear. Is that your favorite teddy bear, Tal? That is
yes.
your favorite. Okay, here's mine. This is the teddy bear of my son. It is a dinosaur. It's a T-Rex. Jug, 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 jug. Hello, my name is Rex. What is the name of your teddy bear, Tal?
Mm,
What is the name? I know it. It's Sao Sao. Is that Sao Sao?
yes.
Sao Sao. Hello, Sao Sao. Nice meeting you. This is Rex Rex. All right. Who give your teddy bear, Sao? Mommy?
Yes.
He give that on your birthday?
Yes.
Oh, when is your birthday, Sao?
It's in. It's on 13th of July.
Oh, July 13th. Okay, I will gonna remember that one. All right. Then teacher will gonna greet you or have a surprise for you. You like it?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sal. So we have here a lot of money. So let's read there. Okay, let's read. Go,
There,
Sal.
there is so much Hats.
Okay. There is so much. Okay. So like this one, there is a lot, meaning so much. Again, Sal. Ka, ka, cash. Cash. Okay. So when we say cash, it is a money that can be seen or we can touch it, we can hold it. Okay, Sal? Yes, so that is the meaning of cash. All right, so like this one. Teacher Jennifer has a cash. Okay, so this is a 50 pesos. Yes. So this is, all right. Okay. So this is an example of cash, but it's not many. It's only one. Okay. So now, Sal, okay, I have here a question. Let's read. Okay, go, Sal.
Which picture shows cash?
Okay, perfect. Now, which picture, Sal, shows cash? Okay, which picture? Is it picture one or picture number two?
Number 2.
Okay, can you put check in picture number two? Can you put check, Sal? Yes, very good. How about picture number one, Sal? Why is it's not a cash? Because picture number two is sorry, picture one is
What? It's a car.
yes, all right. So it is a ATM. ATM card, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you seen an ATM card? Yes. Have you seen it? So, okay, mommy and daddy has an ATM card. All right. So you can use that one when you pay. Okay, when you're going to buy on the mall, all right, or in the supermarket. So, so you can use that one. So that is ATM
Car.
card. Okay. Next. Okay. Look, what is on our screen? What can you see, Thao?
Mm, A
You can see,
man. A man is
yes. What is the man
using
doing?
the ATM to take out some cash.
Yes, all right, to withdraw, okay, or to get some cash. So we can see here the man is standing at the ATM machine. All right. So he is going to withdraw some cash. So this one, Joe. Okay. Let's read. So go, go, go. Joe.
Joe is using the ATM to take out some cash.
Very good. So ATM or automatic teller machine. That is ATM. This one here. Okay. The machine. Okay. Sal, this one. Okay, Sal, the green one here. Okay? That is example of a,
Of
again?
a ATM.
Yeah. Okay. So we will gonna wrap up because it's already our time. Yay. Trial class is finished. So high five with teacher Jennifer. So thank you so much for coming to trial class, Tal. And I hope that you will gonna enroll in teacher Jennifer class. Okay? All right. So come on. Thank you so much, Tal. And see you again on soon in my class. All right. Bye-bye. Good night. Thank you.
Goodbye.